If you're a YouTuber looking to expand your reach and monetize your content, joining a multi-channel network, or MCN, might be a good option for you. MCNs are companies that partner with creators to offer resources such as funding, production support, and advertising opportunities. They can provide a range of benefits for creators, including access to exclusive tools, brand deals, and collaborations with other creators. Here are some steps you can take to join an MCN and get the most out of your partnership. Number 1. Research and compare MCNs. Before joining an MCN, do your research and compare different options. Look for MCNs that specialize in your niche and offer resources that align with your goals. Some MCNs may require you to have a certain number of subscribers or views before partnering with you, so make sure to check their requirements. Number 2. Evaluate the terms and benefits. Read the contract carefully and make sure you understand the terms and benefits of joining the MCN. Consider factors such as revenue split, exclusivity, and ownership of your content. Some MCNs may offer higher revenue splits but require exclusivity, while others may allow you to maintain ownership of your content but offer a lower revenue split. Number 3. Reach out to the MCN. Once you've found an MCN that you're interested in, reach out to them and express your interest in partnering. Some MCNs may have an application process, so be prepared to provide information such as your channel statistics, content, and goals. Number 4. Negotiate the terms. If the MCN is interested in partnering with you, negotiate the terms of the contract. This can include revenue split, exclusivity, ownership of content, and any additional resources or support that the MCN can provide. Number 5. Sign the contract. Once you've agreed on the terms, sign the contract and make sure you understand any obligations or responsibilities that come with joining the MCN. Number 6. Utilize the resources and support. Take advantage of the resources and support that the MCN provides. This can include access to exclusive tools, production support, and advertising opportunities. Some MCNs may also offer brand deals and collaborations with other creators. Number 7. Collaborate with other creators. Collaborate with other creators within the MCN to expand your reach and create new content. This can also help you build relationships within the community and learn from other creators. Number 8. Maintain your brand identity. While partnering with an MCN can provide resources and support, it's important to maintain your brand identity and vision. Make sure that the content you create aligns with your brand and goals. Number 9. Stay informed of changes and updates. Stay informed of any changes or updates to the MCN's policies or terms. This can include updates to revenue split or exclusivity agreements. Make sure you understand how these changes may impact your partnership and content. Number 10. Evaluate the partnership. Periodically evaluate the partnership and assess whether it's still beneficial for you. Consider factors such as revenue generated, support received, and whether the partnership aligns with your goals and vision. In conclusion, joining an MCN can be a valuable way to expand your reach, monetize your content, and access resources and support. However, it's important to do your research, negotiate the terms, and maintain your brand identity to ensure that the partnership aligns with your goals and vision.